Hey Todd, my name is Devin. I spoke to Rose earlier today about sending you over this short custom video. So here it is. Thanks for clicking on it. So today I'm going to talk to you about three things, which are content, backlinks, and citations, and how you can use those three things to rank and beat your competition in Fresno. So I first want to start off by saying how I really like your website. The colors look great. You got a picture of your van, which is great. You have call to action buttons right here, and in your number right here, which makes it easy for people to see. Yeah, just overall, you guys have a really great website. So what Google really cares most about is that content, and that's anything that you could read on a website as well as any images you have. So you have a video right here, and you have some pictures on here below, which is good. And so typically, the average website on the front page of Google has around 1,500 to 2,000 words. So that's right where you want to be sitting. By looking at your site, you don't fall in that range. So I highly recommend that you get there. So what I did was I searched up Fresno carpet cleaning, and the number one ranking website is Stanley Steamers, but the number one ranking like homepage for because their Stanley Steamers is ranking a back page. So I pulled up the number one ranking homepage in your area, and I want to show you what the type of content that they have as well. So looking at their site, they also do not have much content at all. So in Google's eyes, you are both not considered authority figures. But if you get yourself to that mark with relevant content to your industry, you're going to pull ahead of them, and it's also going to leave you more room to add keywords, which is the important part. And a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, such as Fresno carpet cleaning. And so you can just, as long as you include that keyword in your content naturally and not making it sound like you're just throwing it in there, because Google will be able to pick up on that. That's how you go about doing that. And one more quick tip for you regarding those keywords is to save your images as them. So if I hit save image as, instead of saving it as this carpet cleaning before and after photograph, you can save it as Fresno carpet cleaning to help you rank for that keyword. So my second tip for you today it's called backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere that you'll find one website linking to another via a clickable text, or anywhere another website's linking to yours, driving traffic to it. And the reason why these are so important is because Google is like a popularity contest. So they want to see other trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for yours. So you're going to get more power with other carpet cleaning companies linking to you versus a company like Starbucks linking to you, because Google knows you don't sell lattes. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but there are plenty of other free ones out there. Here it says you have 25 websites linking to you and 104 backlinks, which is helping you generate 114 organic traffic per month in your area. And over here, the number one ranking competitor in Fresno, that homepage, has 24 websites linking to them and 65 backlinks, which is helping them generate 107 organic traffic. But that number one ranking website for Fresno carpet cleaning is, like I said, it's that back page, and they're generating 204 organic traffic. And the reason why, and also they have less backlinks. And the reason why it is that they're ranking and getting this traffic is because their DR is super high, which is their domain rating. So basically how powerful they are in Google's eyes. So they're pulling some of that. I don't want to get too technical with this, but they're ranking because they're getting their main power from this site from their main site. So they're kind of taking that the power from their main site is the same power as reflecting onto this back page. So I hopefully that made sense. So the easiest way to go about becoming that number one spot on Google organically is to copy the backlinks that your competition has. So going into these websites and getting them linked towards you as well. So like I said, finding those relevant links and getting them linked back to you as well, that paired with content is how you can go about taking that number one spot on Google organically. So my second tip for you today, my third tip for you today is called Citations. And before I get into that, if you're interested in showing up here in this map pack, and this is not the map pack, sorry, the Google Guaranteed section, it is really the fastest way to go about getting customers now. So that and Google Ads is faster because showing up here in this Google Guaranteed section takes a little bit longer because you have to go through a couple of steps. But showing up here and Google Ads is the fastest way to go about getting customers. So now to show up here in this map pack, you need to have more citations than your competitors. And the citations anywhere that your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it shows in your Google business profile in those directories. And directories are places like Yelp and Angie's List and I'm sure they're right down here below. Usually there'll be a couple. Yep, here's Yelp right here. So the reason why it's so important to have your information in these directories is because they begin to build up and create your online presence and allow you to be seen by both people and Google more. And once Google sees you more than it sees your competitors, the more likely it is for them to rank you above your competitors. So what I'd do is I'd figure out what directories these top competitors are in, put myself in those same ones, and add more on top of that. And the reason why it's so important to show up here in this map pack is because 30 to 40% of people who are searching for this particular service or product are going to click on this map pack on one of these websites. So, but just by not being there, you're just missing out on some of that traffic. So yeah, this is all I have for you today, Todd. I hope this video was helpful and provided some value. If if you are interested, or if you have any questions or want to leave me a quick line of feedback, my number is 805-750-7008, or you could just reach out by the email that this video will be attached to. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope to help. Have a good one. Bye-bye.